Alright guys, well here we go. I guess I'll record this one since I'm half-assing it tonight, not recording. Because look at that. $125 ball. Man. Let's bring something else big with it. It's been a pretty rough day for me. Take anything to keep it going. Alright, come on. This is the spin. We need to save it. Alright, well, it's a decent little bonus for a 250 bet. 200 even. Alright, we'll take it. Back to 850. Let's do a $5 bet. Do another 250. It seems like the lower bets. Come on, 3 more. It seems like I was going to say the lower bets are kind of where it wants to hit at, but we'll give it. Oh, come on, 3. Oh, that was a decent one. Alright, we'll give it 1 or 2 more. Alright, last spin unless we hit. Alright, guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, here we go. Moved over from Lightning Link. Figured we were betting $5 there. Let's do $5 here. There's your progressives. Got a mini for 50 and a 75 right next to it. So, come on, let's drop some other big numbers. Let's drop that green one. Or at least the blue. Well, blue's in there. Drop the blue. 58.9, 49. If we could happen to get all 15. Save it. Alright, last spin, guys. We need a save here. Anything. It's a decent little bonus. Came really quick. I put $100 in. I think that was my second spin. $210, guys. Let's do a backup spin. Oh, sorry, guys. Didn't mean to do it. We'll do one normal backup spin, and we'll be back. Alright, guys. We got a bonus. Spring Festival. Made the volume nice and loud so we don't have issues. 625 bet. 4-symbol trigger. 93.75 for the trigger. Let's drop something good. I'll take wilds. I would have loved it for it to match. 135 so far. Drop it. One. We want 1 ball in there. 1 spin with a ball. Ah, it was a next symbol. Come on, do it. There it is. It's only my. That's super fucking loud. Come on, land something good with it. Keep landing 250s. Fill the whole thing with them. Alright, last spin. Could we save it? These bonus and the bonuses on these games with the big spot in the middle are so bad. $56. That's $190 already. Do it again. Ah, we just missed a mini. Do it one more time. Alright, well, we got something. $213. Let's do a 375 backup spin. We'll do 1 more 625. That would have been nice. We'll do 1 more 375 since it paid 375, and we'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Autumn Moon. Put a $500 ticket in from the last one. We were cashing out at $400. Last spin. Damn. Last spin, and we got a bonus with an 1875 and a mini. Let's drop that Mage, 941. Quick bonus. Decent numbers, though. Yep, that's the one. It is cold in here tonight. Shaking like a dog. Damn, 225 bucks. Nice. Let's do a backup spin. Come on, do it again. I really want those peacocks. I thought we were going to get it 625 back. Alright, we'll do one more spin. Oh, two more. Last spin. And then we'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Lightning Link chasing that $1,000 major. Let's see if we can get it. 1 cent denom, $5 max bet. Again, sorry, guys, the volume is so low. Figured might as well get it recorded just in case we drop that green one. We did land a green one on the first spin with 4 balls. Super disappointing. Oh, come on, don't do me like that. Keep going. Drop something decent. All right, I'll take a mini because it gives me more spins. Man, some huge numbers floating through there. Miners, 250. Come on, let's land one more. Alright, guys, it's a little something. It's fuel in the tank. Keep going. At least they're not all $5 balls, so. Alright, 150 bucks. Not bad. We'll take it. Let's do a backup spin. And, it would have been nice. Oh, man, look at that. We'll do one more because it showed big numbers. How about one more, just in case? Alright, guys, we'll be back. Shinga, woo! We got it, guys. I was going back down to the 400 we put in it. Just got the flags on a 625 bet. Let's go. That hurts. Don't do that. Do it now. Man, I hate when it does that. Alright, 23 bucks is not going to cut it. Oh my god, Wilds. Wilds would have been huge because of ladies. Alright, balls. Last spin. Wilds. There it is. Great hit, guys. Great hit to save the day. 170 bucks. Let's go back to our 375 first spin. We'll do one more 625. We'll do one more 375. It was close. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. All right, guys. So we took our $400 ticket, moved to the other side to my favorite Golden Century. Did 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent. Finally got it to hit 5 cents, 625 bet. It's dropped that major, 787. I'll take a minor. I'll take a mini. Mini's $50. Oh man, it was a 250 it looked like in there. Man, some huge numbers going through, but again, you get one or two and away we go. $181 though. Alright, not too bad. Let's do it back up at 375. Maybe it's just the oh god, 2 more! Oh damn, guys. 125, 125, and 50 and 50. And that was a huge bonus. Oh man, we needed a few more. 2-2. Ah man, 2 more would have made that epic, guys. That would have been great to catch that live. Alright, we'll do one more spin, and we'll be back. Alright, guys, well, we got another bonus on High Limit Lightning Link, high stakes. Let's see if we, oh, there it is. First spin, re-trigger, we'll take that. Those are the progressives that we're hoping for. Let's drop that major right in the middle, or at least a chip. Let's get something good. I got some queens, 23 bucks. Come on, chip. There you go. We'll take it. 50 bucks. Now let's drop something green or blue on the side. How about we drop anything? There you go. I'll take anything at this point. Fill them in. Hit that other side. Save it. Middle. 75 bucks. Alright, let's see. Can we do it again? That would have been nice to have the roulette wheel on the front. Come on, wild or chip? Alright, we got jacks all the way. 113 bucks. Chippy. Alright, we got cards. Alright, 129. Let's get one good one. Last spin. Could we make something happen? 10s. 141. We'll see you on the next one.